Jamaica nice, barefoot on grass, porch breeze, coconut water, nature, good vibes, real life. Nothing sweeter. The sun hug you like family. Yo, watch the video, yeah, and tell me what you think. I want to hear your honest opinion.
I am not going to speak for anybody else. I'm going to speak for me. Personally, there's nothing in Canada to miss. When we were growing up, we were cultured that foreign is greener pasture and America, Canada and England are greener pastures and everybody wanting to go. And that is one of the biggest lie that could ever endow on the Caribbean people. Caribbean people rich in love, in help, in kindness, in being your brother's keeper. That is not in first world country. What happened is that they trick us, tell us to go to America to work because of green pasture. And they build up these expensive houses and charge us 250,000 Jamaican dollars, which is 2,000 odd Canadian dollars for rent. And then we have to pay those big rents, and those persons move to the Caribbean, buy houses at the waterfront, and have us maintaining their lifestyle. So they come to the Caribbean, they open up businesses, they buy out the hotels, and all of them are in the Caribbean running wholesales, running hotels, running restaurants, whilst we are the slaves in their country to help them to make their dream come true. Going to Canada was one of the biggest mistakes that I could have ever made.
For those Jamaicans who intend to come back with crime and violence to undermine what we have been building here, let me be clear to you that this is not the Jamaica that you left 10 or 20 years ago. It is not the JCF that you left 10 or 20 years ago. You will either meet a judge or your maker if you come back to Jamaica and violate our laws and create havoc. I know that there are many who will be returning to Jamaica, coming back to lovely communities like these, rural areas like these, and they may attempt to set up gangs, get involved in scamming, and undermine the values of the communities that they return to. We will not tolerate that. Come back with a good heart and a good mind. Come back willing to work. Come back with your resources. You will be able to make life here. But don't come back here to undermine and destroy what we have built.
You know, it's okay if you pack up from foreign and go back to your yard. It's okay. It's okay if you've migrated and you decide that this is not working out. I am going back to Jamaica. Nothing is wrong with that. And we need to normalize people doing that instead of staying in a foreign country and suffer. It makes no sense for us to stay in a foreign country if we're not doing well. And doing well doesn't necessarily mean that you have a house, you have a car, you have a good job. Doing well also means that you're not coping mentally. You're just not happy. It doesn't matter what you do. It doesn't matter who you're around. You're not happy. Now, the other day, somebody told me that, you know, somebody that we both know, that person decided to go back home. And I said, good for her. Good for her. Because if you're really not happy here, if you're not getting the kind of job that you want, you come to Canada and you just realize it doesn't matter what you try. It doesn't matter what kind of qualifications you have. You've gotten certified here in Canada. You have your qualifications from back home in Jamaica. Listen, sometimes we have master's degrees and we can't get a good job over here. If you realize that you're not getting back to the status after 4 years, 5 years, the kind of lifestyle that you used to live in Jamaica, you're not able to do that in Canada or the United States, go back home.
Moving from the UK to Jamaica has been the best thing I ever did. Like, I'm so at peace here. I am so happy that, honestly, I am happy. I'm at peace. I feel like I'm thriving. I just feel like I can achieve the things I want to achieve while being in Jamaica. I moved with my son Elijah, everyone asks me, is going to go school here and all them stuff. I honestly can't answer that question yet because I don't know what's going to happen in a couple of years' time. Do you know what I mean? But in this current moment, I'm happy that Elijah's here. We eat healthy food. We get vitamin D. The sun is nice. I like going to the river. I like going to the beach. I just feel like I'm much more free. You know, like when I'm in the UK, my routine is just work, 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 work. And I just feel a bit sad and depressed. But here I don't feel sad. I feel happy. Like,
Lick about Talawa, we say it every day. But ask yourself one serious question. If Jamaica is so powerful in culture, influence, and spirit, why we quick for build foreign and slow for build yard? Take a look around the world. Reggae around the globe, sprinting around the globe. Our style, our slang, our food, people copy we. So why we not claim the same greatness at home? Right now, Jamaica dep on the rise. Tourism expanding. New business opening. Infrastructure developing. And foreign investors are rushing. But here's the twist. Outsiders see the goal, while enough away only see the struggle. Yes, crime and system issues real. But every strong nation fix them problem with them own people, not excuse. So the real question is this. Are we going to be shareholders in Jamaica future? Or spectators while next man collect the profit? This is no time for run. This is a time for build, for own, for strategize, for step back pan with soil with purpose. Jamaica is a frontier with high reward for who willing to plan, unite, and execute.